Here is a good question from ionization enthalpy. So question asked is the correct order of the ionization energy for comparing carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Which of the following option is correct? See, if we consider only one factor, that it is dependent on the atomic radius, right? So what would be the thing? This is the carbon. This will be a size of the carbon. This is the size of the nitrogen, and this will be a size of oxygen, right? This is 6, 7 and 8, no, atomic number 6, atomic number 7, atomic number 8. If we just apply this concept, then over here what should be the answer? Ionization enthalpy will be least for the carbon, then nitrogen and oxygen it should be the maximum. But that is not the case. We have to look at the stability of the orbitals also. Let's understand what is the meaning of the ionization enthalpy with respect to electronic configuration. So what I'll do, this is a carbon atom, this is a nitrogen atom, this is oxygen atom. This is the size. So carbon atoms electronic configuration is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen atoms electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. And oxygen atoms electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 is, and this is 2p4. Now ionization enthalpy 1 means I am talking of the first ionization enthalpy. First ionization enthalpy is the enthalpy change, it is energy required to remove the outermost electron or a valence electron from the last shell, right? So last electron we are removing. So this is over here, after first ionization enthalpy you are going to remove the electron from the 2p orbital. So this is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Over here also, after first ionization enthalpy it is what? 1s2, 2s2 and this is 2p2. And over here this is 1s2 after first ionization enthalpy, 2s2 and 2p3. Now understand a process. This was partially filled, this p orbital was a partially filled, this is partially filled, right? It is changing to what? It is changing to partially filled only. It is changing to partially filled, not much change. This is exactly half filled p3 orbital. P3 orbital is this way. It is exactly half filled, right? I'll write here exactly half filled, right? After this change, what it changes to? Partially filled. P2 is a partially filled, right? What about this? This is partially filled over here. And what about this? Exactly half filled. Exactly half filled. Now understand which process is easy. Like always remember that stable to unstable, changing one system stable to unstable is difficult, but changing unstable to stable is very easy. Over here it was a partially filled orbital. It was comparatively, we are comparing with the after ionization. So this is becoming exactly half filled. So partially filled is less stable and this is more stable. So this process is very easy. This process is the toughest this process is the toughest process because it is exactly half filled, more stable, changing to partially filled, right? So most toughest means stable, you are changing it to unstable, isn't it? And the easiest, or I'll not say the easiest I'll say this is why partially filled, not as easy as this, but this is with respect to size. If I ask you between this is partially filled, this is also a partially filled. One reason this is easy because size of the carbon is bigger. Okay, this is, so here what would be the options? sorry. So what could be the, like, maximum energy required among this is this exactly half filled to a partially filled. Okay, exactly half filled going to a partially filled. Although nitrogen size is bigger than oxygen, this will require more energy. So nitrogen is always nitrogen will have higher ionization enthalpy than what? Nitrogen will have higher ionization enthalpy than carbon. Okay, and it will also have higher ionization enthalpy than oxygen. Sorry, it will have less ionization enthalpy than oxygen, because this process is easy. Means my option C will be a correct. 1 minute. No, C won't be a correct answer for this. Option A should be correct over here, because nitrogen will have higher ionization enthalpy than the carbon. Although being this is true, right? This is true. One reason is because of the size. Because of the size. This is smaller size. This is bigger size, right? And it will have higher ionization enthalpy greater than oxygen, because for oxygen it is process is very easy, partially filled changing to exactly half filled, but here process is difficult, right? So the answer is option A.